I'm Tom Schubert, and I'm a professor of electrical engineering and also a professional musician in the sense that semi-professional, and in the sense that I play primarily bassoon in orchestras around town. Always been interested in how instruments work, and have done repairs on my own instruments and overhauled a couple of saxophones and things like that, and so it's always interested me as how things how musical instruments work. And this course that we did here is based very, very loosely on a course that they did at Yale University, where they were able to combine students from the liberal arts and engineering and science students together in a group and have a course of this sort, and where they all built their own unique instruments.
Sounds like a train whistle?
Yeah, and this is kind of what it sounds like.
Where the sharp edge, where the bars kind of hit, and that's kind of what allows it to make the noise. We used a lot of multiple little like bridges in a way, instead of one long one, which would have probably been better.
So yeah, it's really like kind of high pitched, but you can modulate the frequency that it's at. And so this goes, theoretically it's supposed to go from 0 to 9 volts, so that's 9 octaves.
Let's see, so this is just a regular delay. Maybe that it goes like that. You can do things like ping pong effects.
Watching you guys and talking with what was going on and sticking my nose in your projects. And so I've had a good time with this class, and thank you all for your efforts.